Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to create a coupon codes in Magento. So let's check how we can create the coupon codes and try to apply that coupon code it is working or not. Let's go to the catalog price. This is what the rules that you want to add here. You need to create the coupon code. So here I'm going to create new coupon code and the rule name is let's add coupon codes. Which description of active main website for the all customers. No coupon, specific coupon, auto generated coupon, let shop 90 coupon, uses per coupon to schema 1 from go today, 30th, priority, no, and conditions. If you want to add any conditions like which subtotal, total items of quantity, shipping, postal code, so you can add the conditions over here. Actions, percentage, or fixed amount. I said fixed amount, that is 2. Maximum quantity applied to 0. Applied to shipping amount, no. Discards amount, yes. Labels, no. Yes. Manage coupon codes, quantity already added, so everything. And dot additionally, this is not required. So this is how we can add the coupon code. Let's save the coupon code. Okay, go to system, cache management, refresh. Here you can add the card pricing rules, where you apply fixed amount like about the total, so you can make the card rules like subtotal and all this coupon applies or not. So here we have added the one coupon code. Okay, so let's check whether this is applying or not. Let's move to the front end. Let's log in. So I'm logged in. Let's go to the add to cart button. So here go to the view and edit cart. Here we have coupon code, apply discount. So here we have shop 90, 2 rupees discount, it's 22. Let's apply. Added discount is 50% off. So it added 2 rupee discount and the product price is 20. So this is how we can create the coupon codes in Magento 2. So you can create number of coupon codes and add your pricing, whether it is on the subtotal quantity. You can make the combinations in the here section. Card price to conditions, you can make the conditions. Like if subtotal subtotal is subtotal is you can make the conditions if subtotal is so you can say 20. Put this and so I think that will not added because here we have added the subtotal 20. So here you can create the multiple multiple card pricing rules whether you want to add on subtotal, total quantities, total for payment method, if payment method condition. So you can build this accordingly the conditions and you can apply accordingly. Okay, so this is how we can create the coupon codes in Magento 2. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.